Employees hardly have enough sleep because they need to wake up early and prepare for work. They rush to the nearby bus station to catch the first bus. The last thing you want to do is to get to work late. This is the daily routine of a typical salary earner. Being late to work can fetch you a query letter, a warning, or worse still, a sack letter. No salary earner wants to get in trouble with their boss. Then there is the issue of early morning rush hour traffic. Many employees spend between 40 minutes to 1 hour in traffic on their way to work. Many even get to work tired already. Then soon as you get to work, your boss, who could be a lady even younger than your wife, would give you tons of instructions as per your task for the day. Then you sit at your table all day carrying out all the instructions of your boss. Your boss is the master and you are the servant here. By month end, you get paid a meager amount of salary, which is commensurate with the value your boss places on you. And this money is hardly enough to pay your bills throughout the month. Before the month ends, your salary has already finished. Then you start to borrow. Then you start asking yourself, for how long would you help others build their dreams? When would you start building your own dream? When would you employ people who will help carry out your vision and mission in life? Let us take a look at the Bible. In the book of Proverbs chapter 13 verse 22, the Bible says, "A good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children." Mr. Salary Earner, you know that your children cannot inherit your job. So what are your plans as per inheritance that you intend to pass on to your next generation? Well, entrepreneurship is the way to go. You must build a business you can pass on to the next generation. Well, I know that the journey would not be easy. It will be full of ups and downs, but it would be worth your while eventually. So what must you do? The first thing to do is you must start saving part of your salary every month. This would enable you start a side hustle, which you can be doing when you close from work. Now, after saving up enough capital, you must now start a business. Do your feasibilities so that you can be running this business alongside your job. Nothing is too small. You could open a barbershop, employ competent barbers to run it while you're at work. You pay frequent unannounced visits to check how business is going. Barbershop is a very good business because it provides service to a recurrent demand. Some people have their hair cut almost twice a month. You invest once, you keep carrying out the services, which is recurrent. And this business is not capital intensive at all. It's a business that I recommend for low capital startup entrepreneurship. Or you can start affiliate or network marketing as a side hustle with little or no capital. This you can be doing anytime you get home from work. Another very good business is a dry cleaning business, helping people do their laundry for a fee. If a washing machine is all you can afford and you cannot afford a dryer in the meantime, don't worry, the sun will shine and it will dry the clothes that you wash. With consistency, perseverance, and hard work, your side hustle can lead you to financial freedom, and you may even quit your day job and be your own boss full time and live life on your own terms. See, the bitter truth is, if you really love your children, get a business and not a job, because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. In fact, if you die on the job, your boss would replace you before your burial. If your family lived in the company house, they would get kicked out. So when you close from work, don't go and watch TV. Go home and think of a business idea. Then start it while you're on the job so that you can leave an inheritance for your children's children. If you loved this video, please make sure to give it a like. Share it on your social media so that others can see it. If it's your first time here and you love contents like this, consider subscribing. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to know when I do another video. Till I see you next time with another wonderful video, I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.